station rules the nation.
You're my moonlight, moonlight lover. When you walk alone with me, whoa, whoa, peace. something on your mind, baby, baby, by the way you look at me. Could what you've been thinking bring happiness or misery? No, no, you don't have to tell me, baby, 'cause I don't think I understand. You don't have to tell me, baby, baby, 'cause I don't think I understand. You want me to try to forget you, but I don't think I can. If you ever think about me, and if I ever cross your mind, if you ever think about me, baby, baby, if I ever cross your mind, I want you to know that I love you, oh baby, you know that I do.
There are more questions than answers. Pictures in my mind that will not show. There are more questions than answers. And the more I find out, the less I know. Yes, the more I find out, the less I know. I've asked these questions time and time again. Why is there so little love among men? Oh, what is life? How do we live? What should we take? And how much should we give? There are more questions than answers. Pictures in my mind that will not show. There are more questions than answers. And the more I find out, the less I know. Yes, the more I find out, the less I know. There are more questions than answers. Pictures in my mind that will not show. There are more questions than answers. And the more I find out, the less I know. Yes, the more I find out, the less I know. I've asked these questions time and time again. Why is there so little love among men? Oh, what is life? How do we live? What should we take? And how much should we give? Oh, there are more questions than answers. Pictures in my mind that will not show. There are more questions than answers. And the more I find out, the less I know. The more I find out, the less I know. The more I find
come here often. Have we met before? Tell me your impressions now. Could you like me more? Hey, hey. Could you even love me? Is it too early to tell? Oh, who am I fooling when I know too well that it's only conversation here in my mind? Great expectations, love and kind. I'm losing my patience, I'm learning my lines. I've still got to meet her. I've still got to meet her. If you like the music, we should meet by chance. Maybe we'll meet later. Have another dance. this really, really happen, let this be a lesson. Let this be a lesson, 'cause only time will tell. It's only conversation here in my mind. Great expectation, love and kind. I'm losing my patience, learning my lines, but I've still got to meet her. I've still got to meet her. Do you come here often? Have we met before? Oh, now, tell me your impression. Could you like me more? Could you even love me? Is it too early to tell? Who am I fooling when I know too well that it's only conversation here in my mind? Great expectation, a love and kind. I'm losing my patience.
Oh yes, I know a place. Oh yes, ain't nobody crying. Oh no. Ain't nobody worried, no. Ain't no smiling faces, no. Lying to the races.
makes me forget that I still need her so. Red, red wine, it's up to you. All I can do, I've done, but memories won't go. Memories don't go. I just found that with time, thoughts of you would leave my head. I was wrong, now I find just one thing makes me forget. Red, red wine, stay close to me. Don't let me be alone. It's tearing apart my blue, blue heart. I just found that with time, thoughts of you would leave my head. I was wrong, now I find just one thing makes me forget. Red, red wine, stay close to me. Don't let me be alone. It's tearing apart my blue, blue heart. Oh, red wine, don't let us be apart. Oh, I'm just trying to forget, but our memories, the memories just won't go. Oh, red wine. If I were a carpenter and you were a lady, would you marry me anyway? Would you have my baby? If I were a miller and the mill should grind me, would you miss your lover man, your soft shoe shiner? Yes. Oh, sweet baby. If a tinker were my trade, would you still find me? Absolutely, yes, I would. Come give me your tomorrow. If I were a carpenter and you were a lady, would you marry me anyway? Would you have my baby? Well, well. Oh, baby. See my love through loneliness, see my love through sorrow. I'm giving you my onlyness. Come give me your tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, baby. Well, well, well. If I were a carpenter and you were a lady, would you marry me anyway? you shine. See my love through loneliness, see my love through sorrow. I'm giving you my holiness, come give me your tomorrow. Oh yeah, yeah. Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships rolling. Then I watch them roll away again. Ooh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, yeah. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay. I had nothing to live for, looks like nothing's gonna come my way. Ooh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, yeah. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Looks like nothing's gonna change, everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Sitting here resting my bones, but this loneliness won't leave me alone. It's 2,000 miles I roam just to make this dock my own. So I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide rolls away. Ooh, yeah. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time.
They are lonely, lonely and feeling blue. These arms of mine, they are yearning, yearning from wanting you. And if you would let them hold you, oh, how grateful I'd be. These arms of mine, they are burning, burning from wanting you. These arms of mine, they are wanting, yeah, wanting to hold you. And if you would let them hold you, oh, how grateful I'll be. Come and let me hold you, baby. I wanna hold you down, yeah. Let me hold you in my arms. Be my love. Come and let me hold you, lady. Plant your kisses on me, darling. Let me hold you in my arms. These arms of mine, they are burning, burning from wanting you. These arms of mine, they are wanting, wanting to hold you. And if you hold you.
Tell me the love right now. I've been loving you.
Don't go, baby. Oh, please, don't you go away. Oh, please do not act that way. Please, I'm begging you to stay. For you know that I need you, my dear, and that's why you're my soul and my inspiration. You're all I've got to get me by. You are my soul and my inspiration. Without you, baby, what good am I? Oh, yeah. Please, don't you say goodbye. Oh, please do not leave me to cry. Please, don't you run away from me. For you know you leave me in misery. And that's why you're my soul and my inspiration. You're all I've got to get me by. You are my soul and my inspiration. Without you, baby, what good am I? Oh, yeah, what good am I? Without you, baby, what good am I? Oh, yeah. Please, don't you go away. Oh, please do not act that way. Please, I'm begging you to stay. For you know that I need you, my dear, and that's why you're my soul and my inspiration. You're all I've got to get me by. You are my soul and my inspiration. Without you, baby, what good am I? Oh, yeah. You are my soul and my inspiration. You're all I've got to get me by. You are my soul and my inspiration. Without you, baby, what good am I? Oh, yeah. What good am I without you, baby?
Right now, I'm still up to enough foolishness, even though I'm mad. Remember, some have sister to hear that. How could he forget who was there when he was down? With pride, you held it down, and you never wear a frown. You stood the bills alone, and you never sleep around. Yet when all is said and done, disrespect is all you own. Oh, oh, Sheila, run that worthless one they have for you, veranda. Oh, oh, Sheila, I'm making stress you if you never make it better. Isn't it ironic when him name out work in panic? All him wanna do is smoke chronic. Cock up on him friend car bonnet. Fantasize the latest lick, pretending as if he's got it. Yet know you push out to make it in blame. You say a man you got with. Oh, oh, Sheila, run that worthless boy they have for you, veranda. Oh, oh, Sheila, not make him stress you if you never make it better. That little heart of yours just won't set you free. When it's time for you to free. But him a criminal scam and ski. Tell staff hearts every flee. All criminal scam and ski. Tell him no bother with thee. Oh, oh Sheila, run the worthless one they have by you veranda. Oh, oh Sheila, no make it stress you if you never make it better. How could he forget who was there when he was down? With pride you held it down, and you never wear a frown. You stood the bills alone, and you never sleep around. Yet when all is said and done, disrespect is all you own. Oh, oh Sheila, run the worthless whatever you veranda. Oh, oh Sheila, no make him stress you if you not gonna make it better. Isn't it ironic when him hear about work in panic? All him wanna smoke is chronic. Talk up on him friend can't man it. Fantasize the latest lick, pretending as if he's got it. Yet when you push out to make it, you blame me, say a man you got it. Oh, oh Sheila, run the worthless whatever you veranda. Oh, oh Sheila, then make him stress you if you not gonna make it better.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful people. Bend down low. Bend down low, yo. Let me tell you what I know. What I know, what I know, what I know. Bend down low. Yeah. Hey, hey. Let me tell you what I know. Listen. You keep on knocking, but you can't come in. I get to understand you're living in sin. Yeah. Beautiful people.
Darling, you send me. I know you thrill me. Darling, you send me. Honest you do, honest you do, honest you do. At first I thought it was infatuation, but ooh, it lasted so long. Now I find myself wanting to marry you and take you home. I know you send me, darling, you thrill me. I know you send me, honest you do.
Mr. Chatterbox, yeah. Mr. Chatterbox, how long will you live? Always to receive and never to give. Always carry news all over the place. Mr. Chatterbox, you're a big disgrace. It was caused through love and affection. It was caused through love and affection. It was caused through love and affection. And
She was only 16, born at 16, but I loved her so. She was too young to fall in love, and I was too young to know. Why did I give my heart so glad? It never will ever happen again. I've been real glad at 16. Now it's been a year since then. Oh, she was too young to fall in love, and I was too young to know.
wonderful world, beautiful people. Simmer down, control your temper. Simmer down, cause the battle will be hotter. Simmer down, can you hear what I say? Simmer down, why don't you, old time people
much about the French I took, but I do know that I love you. And then I know that if you love me too, what a wonderful world this could be. Wonderful world, beautiful people. 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 Beautiful people. You and your girl, things could be pretty. Caught up to meet me, there in the secret. That's all about it. It can be real. Now. Take a look at the world. See the state that it's into it. I am sure you'll agree. We ought to make it a better way. In this whole world, can you see? Everybody's got to learn and be free. Instead of fussing and fighting, cheating, backbiting, scandalizing, waiting. Yeah, we don't have a wonderful world. Beautiful people, you and your girl. Things could be pretty, but underneath this, there is a secret that nobody can reveal. Oh, yeah, now. Take a look, boy and girl. Let us try to give a helping hand. I am sure you'll agree. Everybody's gotta understand. In this whole world, can you see? Everybody wants to live and be free. Instead of fussing and fighting, cheating, backbiting, scandalizing, waiting. Yeah, we would have a wonderful world. Beautiful people, you and your girl. Things could be pretty, but underneath this, there is a secret that nobody can reveal. Now. Talking about that wonderful world, beautiful people, you and your girl. Things could be pretty, but underneath this, there is a secret that nobody can reveal. Now.
When the evening sun is at its rest and the rainbow breaks and ends your happiness, and the birds in the trees can sing a lullaby, and the minutes they take so long to pass on by. I'll be there, be there. I'll be there, be there. When your time of trouble comes around
There's no peace on earth to be found. You reach for the skies, but your feet are on the ground. You call my name, I won't let you down. I'll be there, be there. I'll be there, be there. I'll raise the sun and give your heart a nest, and I'll put an end to your unhappiness. I'll sing a lullaby, the minutes won't pass on by. You give love a chance, it will do the rest. I'll be there, be there. I'll be there, be there. Whoa. Can you feel me? Yeah, oh yeah. I was checking this girl next door when her parents went out. She phoned, say, hey boy, come on right around. So I knocked on the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine ready to pour, dressed in long black satin, legs to the floor. So I went in, then we sat down, started kissing, caressing. Tell me about your clues, it sounded interesting. So we jumped right in. All calls diverted to answer phone. Please leave a message after the tone. Oh, me and our parents were kinda cool, but they were the fine line between me and you. We were just doing things that people in love do. Parents trying to find out what we were up to. Singing, why were you creeping round late last night when I didn't see two shadows moving in your bedroom light? Now you're dressed in black, when I left you were dressed in white. Can you feel me? Yeah. Calls diverted to answer phone. Red wine bottle, half the contents gone. Midnight return, jacuzzi turned on. Can you feel me here? Whenever the coast was clear and she asked me to come out, I say, hey girl, come on right around. So she knocked at the door, I was standing with the keys in my hand to the 4x4. Jumped in my ride, checking that nobody saw. So we went in, we got down to the rhythm. So we was early morning, thought we better be leaving. Gave you my jacket for you to hold. Told you to wear it cause you felt cold. Oh, me and I didn't mean to break the rules. I weren't trying to play your mom and dad for fools. We were just doing things that people in love do. Parents are trying to find out what we were up to. Singing, why can't you keep your promises no more? Saying you'll be home by 12, come strolling in at 4. Out with the girls you be leaving with the boy next door. Can you feel me? Yeah. Wearing a jacket whose property. Say you be queuing for a taxi, but you left all your money on the TV. Can you feel me? Yeah. Why were you creeping round late last night when I didn't see two shadows moving in your bedroom light? Now you're dressed in black, when I left you were dressed in white. Can you feel me? Yeah. Calls diverted to answer phone. Red wine bottle, half the contents gone. Midnight return, jacuzzi turned on. Can you feel me? Yeah. I was checking the girl next door when her parents went out. She phone say, hey boy, come on right around. So I knocked on the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine ready to pour.
into my life, and now he's taken over, and it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. I've gone with better looking guys, he's gone with prettier looking girls, but now we're beautiful. I think we're beautiful. I don't need love affairs anymore. No, I don't need love affairs anymore. Can't you see? It's the chemistry. You must agree together. We are beautiful. Ooh, beautiful. I am the rain, he is the sun, and now we've made a rainbow. I think we're beautiful. We're really beautiful. I don't need love affairs anymore. No, I don't need love affairs anymore. Well, can't you see? It's the chemistry. You must agree together. We are beautiful. Ooh, we're beautiful. And if the whole world fell in love, just like me and my man, oh, this would be beautiful. It would be so beautiful. 'Cause I don't need love affairs anymore. No, I don't need love affairs anymore. Can't you see? It's the chemistry. You must agree together. We are beautiful. Ooh, so beautiful. Can't you see? It's the chemistry. You must agree together.
She ain't got the money, her clothes is kind of funny, her hair is kind of wild and free. Oh, but love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. She is sometimes lazy and people say she's crazy, and her life's a mystery. Oh, but love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. There's something about her and mine, it's a feeling so fine, and I've just gotta say, she's really got a man. listen. I said I didn't like the way he got things done. Sleeping on the job, those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling. But there's one thing I know the blues they sing to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Baby, raindrops keep falling on my head. That doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Yeah, nothing's worrying me. Whoa, free. Oh, nothing's worrying me, baby. Oh, free. Oh, nothing's worrying me, baby. There's one thing I know. You know the blues they sing to meet me won't defeat me. You know it won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Baby, raindrops keep falling on my head. That doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. I'm free. Oh, nothing's worrying me, baby. Oh, I'm free. Oh, nothing is worrying me, baby.
Listen to me, darling. Hear what I say. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm your key to set you free. You can come to me anytime for comfort. Don't be shy. Just let me try. It's you I really want and not another. Baby, don't you fight. Oh no, you get your little self uptight, you know. Yeah. Baby, after tonight. Baby, after tonight. Baby, after tonight. Baby, after tonight. You're alive, but take a dive. Won't you swim to me a little closer? I'll read just what you need. And it's you, oh baby, you I'm looking after. Oh baby, don't you fight. Oh no, don't get your little self uptight, you know. Well, baby, after tonight. Baby, after tonight. Baby, after tonight. Baby, after tonight. the life he's come to know.
He said he's going
back to find what's left of his world, the world he left behind. Not so long ago, he's leaving on that midnight train to Georgia. Said he's going back to find simpler place and time. I'll be with him.
I know you will.
On that midnight train to Georgia. I'd rather live in this world than live without it in mind.
This world is not alone.
He kept dreaming that someday he would be a star, but he sure found out the hard way that dreams don't always come true. So he poured all his hopes and even sold his old car for a one-way ticket back to the life he wanted. Oh yes he did. He said he would. He's leaving on that midnight train to Georgia. Said he's going back to find a simpler place and time. I'll be with him on the midnight train to Georgia. I'd rather live in this world than live without it in mind.
I about fell off my chair, and when you move your mouth to speak, I felt the blood go to my feet. It took time for me to know what you try so not to show. Something in my soul just cried. I see it all in your blue eyes. Baby, I love you to want me the way that I want you, the way that it should be. Baby, you love me to want you the way that I want you. If you'd only let it be. You taught yourself years ago you'd never let your feelings show. The obligation that you made for the title that you gave. Baby, I love you to want me the way that I want you, the way that it should be. Baby, you love me to want you the way that I want you. If you'd only let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be, let it be.
strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride. If I have faith, you need to borrow, for no one can feel those of your needs that you won't let show. You just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. You just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand.
Just cause you don't see me, don't mean I'm not there. Cause I don't have to be around to show you how much I care. Just cause you don't hear me, don't think I'm gone. I've got my ears to the ground, so I know what's going on. And I can't wait to reunite with you, lady, and hold on to what I've been missing for so long. But I'm in such a crazy fight, oh baby. To keep my head clear, I've gotta be here on my own. But you gotta believe me, if I come on tribes or I hit the dump, whichever way I go, if I'm a million miles with a ticket to ride, you'll be the first to know. If I come on tribes or I hit the dump, whatever I do, whichever way I go, if I'm a million miles with a ticket to ride, you'll be the first to know. My beautiful baby, I'm so aching to see. To try and explain what I'm doing is a means to be free. No need to say I'm grieving, my heart is flying away. But I just remember we'll be together soon one day. And I can't wait to reunite with you, lady, and hold on to what I've been missing for so long. But I'm in such a crazy fight, baby. To keep my head clear, I've gotta go it on my own. Believe me. If I or I hit the dump, whichever way I go, a million miles with a ticket to ride, you'll be the first to know. You'll be the first to know. Whatever it takes, you'll be the first to know.
On me again. You cheat on me once again. Why don't you play your cards right? Stay, let me love tonight. You making promises again. You breaking promises again. Why don't you play your cards right? Stay and let me hold you tonight. You hurting me again. You deserting me once again. Why don't you play your cards right? Stay and let me love you tonight. Oh baby, you making promises again. You breaking promises again. Why don't you play your cards right? Come let me hold you tonight. Oh baby. Again. You cheat on me once again. Why don't you play your cards right? Stay, let me love you tonight. Oh baby.
He gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him, they'll have everlasting life. Lord, you're my soul and my inspiration. I need you here right by my side. Lord, you're my soul and my inspiration. Without your love, where would I be? At times when I call on your name, you always answer.